Joanna, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do my September dashboard plan with me. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I post videos about planners at least once a week, usually on a Sunday or a Monday. Sometimes I'm extra. I have beauty videos, plus size fashion, vlogs from Greece, you know, all these kinds of girly pretty things, because I like girly pretty things. So yeah, it would be great if you enjoyed this video to subscribe to my channel. Let me know that you're a new subscriber if you are in the comments below, and maybe give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. So let's begin. My September. I don't know if you can see, but I want to use this. Because, you know, my planning style is using, first of all, I'm colorblind, so you're never going to get a really colorful spread because I'm scared of using lots of colors because they'll probably look like weird. But I do like, this looks nice to me. So I have this washi tape, which is, I got from the works. So I'm going to use this, and I'm probably going to put it down here. And then I'm going to use stickers from this sticker book, which is the, which one's this? This is the farmhouse one. So I'm going to use stickers from this page. I'm going to use this big sticker, which I wanted to try and see where it's going to fit. So I'm going to use this from this sticker book, which is the Color Story. And I'm really enjoying stickers from this label one, which is just colorful shapes. So I'm going to use this pages from here, from the gold page. And I may or may not use stickers from this one, the Glam Girl. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, I think I should use the list one and stick it here. Okay, I just got an idea. Let's see how that's gonna work. Alrighty, so first thing I'm 100% sure of is, sorry, you're probably going to see the top of my head because I'm not very good with my sight, so I usually tend to you know, go really close to the page. I'll try to pause so it's not annoying, but yeah, that's why you see the top of my head. So the first thing I'm going to do is, oh, sorry about that, I'm going to take this paper here, hang on, I'll just cut this out if I can. Yeah, so I'm going to stick this here. Oh, I'm already excited. Look what it's going to look like. So I'm going to stick this here, and I will pause my video to cut it and stick it, and then you will see what I have. Okay, so this is how thick it is, just so you can see. It's quite thick. So I'm going to stick this here on the bottom of the page. And I'm not going to cover, this is where you're going to see the top of my head now. I'm not going to cover all the line. Okay, that's gone in. So I'm all right with a little bit, oops, that's gone a bit higher. I'm all right with a little bit of the line showing, just to make it completely straight. There you go. There you go. Doesn't that look pretty? Guys, if you really like this, I'm going to put this in one of my giveaways coming up. I'm hoping to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know it looks kind of impossible, but that's my goal. And that will be, I bought a second one of these. So then I got this, I cut it out from this, what is this, the Glam Girl accessories pack. So I cut this to fit here. So that's gonna get stuck there. Let's just use my adhesive, or what's this called, glue. I don't know, so this is going to probably turn into one of those girly, Glam Girl, sparkly print pages. So I've got lots of birthdays, which I'm going to put, this I got from the works. I've got lots of birthdays, which I'm going to stick down here. And then I'm going to Greece, hopefully. My family lives in Greece. I'm not going on holiday. I want to see my parents and my sister. I haven't seen my sister for a year. And if you're a Greek family, you know that, like, it's really hard for us. We're always stuck together. So, oh, my hand's getting stuck as well. So I'm just going to put some of this here. Oh, it's very sticky. Not bad. I'm really happy with this. The Works sticky glue tape or whatever it's called. So yeah, I want to get some gifts for Greece. So I'm going to put that there as well. This is going to be my gift list, and it has a hair on it. Ah, get off here. So I will put this down here, and then, oops, no, please. I went, please, 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 please. Thank gosh. Okay, so this is very sticky tape, which is the purpose of sticky tape. It's supposed to be sticky. Okay. Hopefully it won't be too crooked. So it's looking straight up there. The issue is down here where it's not looking very. Okay, I've got it. Woohoo! Magic. Just going to press it there so it doesn't stick out. So I have my list. I have my whatchamacallit, every day is a gift sticker, which I want to put. Where do I want to put this? Here. Every day is a gift. There you go. And that's going to have my gifts. And then I want to have my birthday ones. There are some love hearts which I really like. Birthday stickers. I'm thinking of maybe buying some more of these because I'm going to run out very soon. Does anyone know if I can just buy them on their own? One love heart. Like if I could just get love hearts with lines in them. That's my sister's birthday. My niece's birthday. My mum's name day. No, I won't put that one. I'm going to put another polka dotty one. Yeah. So then I have polka dot, line, and there you go. So that's that. So we have 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be my gift list, birthdays, and then notes and ideas. I don't have any notes or any ideas. Let's see what I could put. I'm thinking love this day could probably go around here somewhere. Let's see. Love this day there, and then there. Okay, because it's the birthday and we love this day. I don't know, let's have a quick closer look. Do we like how it's folded there? Maybe not. I think I'm going to move that and this. Okay. I think this is going to stay down here. And then this is going to go up here. So it can be like, could be like it's thinking, love this day. Actually, yeah, I'll move this one up here. So it can be like little love hearts. There you go. Changed my mind. Do you guys do that? They're not sticking very well on my spread, this sticky tape, the adhesive tape, because, hang on, I'm just going to press it in there. So that's that. 1, 2, 3. There you go. I think I like it more like that. So, gifts, birthdays, and then here I will have a think. First I'm going to start, what else can I put here? Let's see. Maybe just important information. So maybe put one of these big hexagons. Oh, what are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, maybe one there and then another one. One in, another one. I'm probably not making sense. I'm going to pause and have a little think, and then I'll show you what I decided. So this is what my spread looks like. It's all right. It's not my best spread, but I like it. I don't know what I was going for, but this is what the result was. So at the bottom here, I added, from this sticker book. I always forget I have this sticker book, which is stickers, the Happy Plan, these ones, which are gold. So I just had added the vacation tab and the birthday tab, and then important, because this is going to be doctor's appointments, I added a kiss, a lip kiss, a kiss with the lips there, and this saying, there's a little bit of white here, I don't know why, and then I added this washi tape up here. Now I'm going to go in with my pen. I think I'm going to use a black marker, which I use for my planner things, or shall I use my pink pen? Metallic gold. Ooh, what if I go in with gold? Let's see, I think I might go in with gold. Let's just see how this writes. I'll write on the back of this. Let's just see here. Okay, I'm going to use gold. This is going to be all gold. So, appointment. I have a doctor's appointment on the... Hang on, I'm going to pause so I can write down my appointments and the birthday so you don't see the top of my head. Okay, so I have a thyroid ultrasound and a mammogram on the 24th. And then, oh, what did I add? I added that phrase, but I didn't read it to you. So it says, and suddenly, you know, it's time to start something new, trust and magic of beginnings, new beginnings or whatever. I just added that because it was round. No reason. And then here is my vacation sticker. I am off on the 19th, off to Crete. Yay! Happy? Here I'm going to write down gifts I need to buy. So I think I want to buy some eyeshadows for some of my friends. And I think I want to try the... are you seeing the top of my head? Probably. So I'm going to pause again. Okay. So I added the birthday. So on the 3rd of September, it's my niece's birthday. Her name is Hope. And then on the 7th, it's my sister's. Then I'm off to Crete, hopefully. Fingers crossed for me, guys. On the 19th. Then we have, on the 17th, it's Hope's name day. It's my mum's name day as well. And then I added my doctor's appointments. And then my gift ideas. I'm going to get some eyeshadows for my friends. There's this Glow Essence, which I really like. And I think I'm going to get that as a present. My sister asked me to get her some jeans. My niece wants a bikini. And then one of my friends reads magazines, so I'm going to bring a magazine. I found this really nice photo box thing, which you print photos on, so I'm going to order one of those. Light bulbs for Alexa. cheese and oxo, because we prefer that to the northing. And then a backpack, because my sister will probably want a backpack. So this is what my, hang on, where is it? There you go. This is what my September spread looks like. It's not perfect, but I like it. It's so sparkly and girly. I think this is a bit random here. If I would start it again, I probably wouldn't put that there, but hey, what can you do? So that's my planner spread, and I used stickers from this sticker book, and I used stickers from this sticker book, and stickers from this sticker book, and these washi tapes. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed what you watched. I'll see you in my next video maybe. Bye.